Now, let me talk about how you can back up numbers on the Android phone. So let's get started. If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So on my device, when I look for the contacts, you're going to notice that I actually have two contact clients, right? There is this one from Google and this one from Samsung. I'm gonna go with the Samsung one simply because I find it better for this purpose. So I'm gonna click on it like this, and this is giving me the list of all of my saved numbers. But if I want to back them up, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on the three lines right here and click on Manage Contacts. This is giving me the ability to merge them, import, and so on, but I am interested in exporting them. So when I click on export, it's going to select all of my 21 contacts, which I can, by the way, I believe, I have the ability to manage them and choose which are going to work. Probably not in this case, but the point is that I can export my contacts from my phone to the internal storage or a SIM card, right? So if I click on the internal storage, you can see that I can confirm with the export, and it's going to create a contacts file, which is called contacts002.vcf. And the VCF is the file format for storing contacts, right? So you can see all of them has been exported into my storage, which means that if I leave the contacts app and find the files on my device, I can look up the VCF like this, and I have everything stored in here. So my contacts are exported. You can see from different dates, I have backed them up on the April 10th, on May 14th, or April 17th. And this serves me as a backup for my contacts. You know, even if I lost all of them, I have always the ability to open up this file right here and basically import the contacts back to my phone. This file can also be backed up somewhere to Google Drive or Dropbox or whatever else you want to make sure you save the contacts and don't actually lose them. So that is how I would back up my numbers. Let me know if you found this video helpful. You can just leave a thumbs up to let me know, and I'm gonna see you later in the future uploads.